Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Tripathi and with me is Dr. Nishid who got rank 29 in the INI CET exam. Nishid, many congratulations beta.
Thank you, sir.
So how does it feel?
Sir, like if my first honest reaction was like I checked it thrice. Like I re-downloaded the PDF again and again and checked for it. Like
And
it was
Nishid,
a good
uh,
experience.
let us discuss about the conversation you and I were having for last few days and you were very anxious कि पता नहीं क्या होगा कैसे होगा कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So this is something that I keep telling people that even toppers who end up getting ranks like 29 even they feel anxious. Every single person including us feel anxious in such times. So anxiety is a part and parcel. So I'm so happy that you got such a great rank. We were having all those discussions and finally you overcame that and came out with flying colors. So happy for you.
Thank, thank you, sir.
So Nishit, you are from Ahmedabad and your internship completed recently only in the March. So
Yes, sir.
it would have been challenging to balance internship and Ahmedabad internship is not so light with studies. So I really want to ask you a couple of important questions, right? That can be used by other students to understand how they should do their preparation. So you were very selective in the way you proceeded with the preparation. In the MBBS you were studying well, but in internship you were very selective. So you were just telling me that in medicine you use medicine in a day. So how do you bring together your prior information with something like medicine in a day? I want to talk specifically about medicine because that's a big question in everybody's mind. So how did you use medicine in a day?
Yeah, sir. Like medicine is a vast subject. No matter how much time you give, it's never gonna be enough. Like
Right.
even if you study for whole year, there are so many questions that might be like still
Mm,
new to you.
mm,
So yeah, I saw Dilip Sir's lectures. Like I'm a great fan of Dilip Sir, the way of his teaching. And in the medicine a day, he just gave selective topics which were important.
mm.
Like and I read those topics from my previous notes, and like it was good enough. I could cover my medicine syllabus from that.
दोनों चीजें मिला के it went fine, हाँ?
Yeah, sir. Like medicine in a day में कुछ टॉपिक्स थे जैसे आईनी सेट में क्वेश्चन था कि ये मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस का फर्स्ट सिम्टम क्या है. तो
Right.
सेंसरी लॉस आंसर वो हैरिसन की डायरेक्ट लाइन थी. और
Right.
दिलीप सर ने ये स्पेसिफिकली बोला था कि सिम्टम होगा तो फटीग होगा. अगर न्यूरोलॉजिकल साइन पूछेंगे तो सेंसरी लॉस वुड बी द फर्स्ट वन टू
Right.
अपीयर.
Dilip
Yeah,
Sir is
there were
pretty good
some.
in that. Bringing down the Harrison, concising it, he's just pretty great at that.
Yeah, sir.
Nishit, another thing, in the end, this is one of the problems that when we come closer to the exam, for everybody, it starts becoming very overwhelming. So, खुद से पढ़ना कई बार it becomes very tough. So, I know you were using marathon INICT classes a lot. So, what was your thought behind using these marathon classes and using it so extensively?
So first of all, the situation like war scenario was going on, so it was very hard to focus on studies. And
Right.
in such situation, like I'm glad to the Cerebellum team to help me out with it. And
Mm,
yeah, like marathon were great because like in marathon we get selected topics which are like high heels.
mm,
And लास्ट में एंग्जाइटी बहुत हो जाती है तो खुद से पढ़ना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
mm,
तो
mm,
फिर या लाइक मैराथन हेल्प मी टू कीप अ शेड्यूल एंड लाइक
mm,
stick to it. Like
mm.
no matter what, I am supposed to finish these subjects in this case. So yeah, it helps.
We also put a lot of focus on late night PYQs that everybody should do PYQs. And before INICT, we were focusing on INICT and AIM PYQ. So, how much did that help you in your preparation?
Yeah, I attempted the INICET PYQ series entirely. It was really helpful. Sometimes, like I I used to get some questions wrong as well. So I used to learn from it. कि, like ये टॉपिक मेरे गलत है तो मेरे को इस पे थोड़ा डिटेल में ध्यान
Mm,
देना है. तो जब
mm,
भी मैं पढ़ता था वो टॉपिक आता था तो आई वुड गिव मोर वेटेज मोर टाइम टू इट
mm,
बिकॉज
mm.
इट्स अ पीवाईक्यू. सो वो क्वेश्चन तो नहीं आएगा बट वो सेम टॉपिक में वो डीप में जाके या थोड़ा ट्विस्ट
थोड़ा
करके वो
घुमा
लोग
फिरा
पूछ
के
सकते हैं. तो हाँ, तो फिर इसलिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है.
निशात कई स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं कि हाउ डू वी रिव्यू दीज टेस्ट क्विकली बिकॉज इफ यू रीड ऑल द फोर ऑप्शंस and if you also had educational objective it might take more time so what was your approach in reviewing late night PYQs?
लाइक आई यूज टू फॉलो जैनब मैम स्ट्रैटेजी कि पहले जो गलत हुए हैं उनको फोकस करो, फिर
हाँ
गलत हुए तो उसमें से क्यों गलत हुए, लाइक टॉपिक पढ़ा नहीं है, क्या आंसर
हाँ
सोचने में गलत हो गया,
हम्म,
फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग।
हम्म,
एंड आफ्टर दैट आई वुड यूज टू रिव्यू माई राइट आंसर्स एज वेल फास्ट
हम्म,
फास्ट, कि
हम्म,
मतलब एक या दो ऑप्शन में हम फंस जाते कि कभी
हम्म,
ये हो सकता है या ये हो सकता है, तो मैं
हम्म,
उसमें नीचे जाके एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव में वही पढ़ता था कि ये वाला आंसर क्यों नहीं है इसका। लाइक सेरिबेलम के ऐप में वो दिया होता है नीचे के दो ऑप्शंस
एजुकेशन
में कंफ्यूजिंग क्यों है, तो फिर वो क्यों नहीं है वो इम्पोर्टेंट ज्यादा हो जाता है। तो
राइट
फिर अभी इस टाइम सही हो गया, शायद नेक्स्ट टाइम ना हो, तो फिर वो पढ़ना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता था।
राइट यू ऑल्सो यूज बीटीआर सो बीटीआर के कौन सा पार्ट विच पार्ट यू थिंक वुड बी द मोस्ट बेनिफिशियल आई थिंक यू यूज ईएनडी अलॉट बीटीआर में
Yeah, BTR, like the way Zainab ma'am teaches us to approach MCQ is really good.
the
Like I
art
am a
of
great
solving the
fan of her.
MCQs now.
Yeah, like I am
In
great
fact,
fan of Zainab
ma'am
ma'am.
says this thing repeatedly that if you want to learn one thing, learn from me how to approach a particular MCQ, and I think you got benefited by that a lot.
Yeah, like
Hmm.
I did saw 6.0
6.0.
TND as well
Hmm.
because it was on time. So yeah, and
Yeah.
the question by attempting those TND, get an idea कि क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनर कैसे क्वेश्चन बनाएगा, क्योंकि मैम यूज टू टेल द टेक्स्ट ये क्वेश्चन बनाते हुए मैंने ऐसे सोचा, फिर
Hmm.
मैंने इसको ऐसे ट्विस्ट कर दिया। तो फिर
Hmm.
नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करते हैं तो आपको ध्यान रहता है कि ओ ये शायद ऐसे ट्विस्ट किया होगा, या फिर यहाँ
Hmm.
पे गड़बड़ नहीं करनी है, ट्रैप नहीं होना है।
Yeah. So thinking from the examiner's viewpoint, wonderful. You're also wearing this T-shirt, Cerebellum's T-shirt, and I think we met in Cerebellum event, right?
Yeah, I participated in the Super 30 quiz as well.
Yeah.
I got to the stage round as well, but I didn't perform well. But
Uh,
yeah, it was a wonderful experience because I got to meet all the faculties. And
yeah.
तभी मैंने सीखा कि like ठीक है अभी शायद नहीं, but एक दिन जरूर मेहनत करनी है, मेहनत कम नहीं
तो
करनी है।
निषेध वो उस स्टेज से बड़े स्टेज पे तुमने ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है सो फाइनली एवरीथिंग कम्स टुगेदर फाइनली एवरीथिंग गोज योर वे सो वंडरफुल निषेध वेरी हैप्पी बेटा अगेन एंड अभी ये बताओ मुझे वुड यू स्टिल बी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट पीजी और नॉट
Yes sir, I would like not that actively, but हाँ prepare मतलब दूंगा तो सही।
ओके एग्जाम चलो क्या व्हाट इज योर सब्जेक्ट ऑफ चॉइस इन रेसिडेंसी क्या करना चाहते हो
Like I had a controversy between medicine and radio, like Dilip Sir and Zenda. So yeah, let's see whatever seat I get.
तो अभी एक काम करते हैं
Yeah,
द नेक्स्ट सेरिबल हम इवेंट दिल्ली आना आपको दिलीप सर से मिलवाएंगे जैनब मैम से मिलवाएंगे एंड मे बी यू कैन देन टेक अ कॉल चलो
yeah, sure, sure.
ठीक है निषेध सो हैप्पी टू सी यू सक्सीडिंग इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वे एंड मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड यू मेड ऑल ऑफ अस प्राउड थैंक यू
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Means a lot.